Taking a look at the energy markets today, I want to focus on WTI crude. WTI crude saw significant selling pressure out of the gate this morning. We did see it come back this afternoon, but initially we did see it down around the 56.88 level was the low. Settling right now around 58.81. Like I said, a low of 56.88 earlier this morning, a high of 59.09. So we did see continued volatility in the space when we saw WTI down better than 3% intraday. Some of the driving factors continue to be the geopolitical front. When you look at what's going on between China and the U.S., China ramped up their initiatives today, indicating that they might start to restrict some other types of imports to the United States, and that escalated the concerns. We also saw possibly a little bit of a softer tone in the Iranian stance from the administration today as well. So I think, again, that peaked that supply storyline, and with that we saw significant selling pressure. However, throughout the day, we did see some other dynamics come into the marketplace, and with that we saw the inventory storyline continue to build on itself. Now we do have the API number this afternoon, the EIA number tomorrow. Now they are delayed a day, they're a day behind, this week due to the fact of the holidays. So the API number coming out this afternoon, and with that we got a surprise build in that number last week, and when you look at the API number relative to the EIA number, they're both trending in the wrong direction, particularly when you look at inventory builds, and I guess trending in the wrong direction, and the fact that it does appear that you continue to see these inventories in the U.S. Escalating, getting back to that 5-year average, and with that you're getting again that theme of more supply, and as with the continued idea of global slowing, that's why we're seeing, I think, the selling pressure in WTI and really in the oil complex as a whole. Also, again, when you look at this from a trend standpoint, from a technical standpoint, we are seeing a series of series of lower highs and lower lows. And with that, we have not broken that cycle. We saw WTI today go below $57 a barrel briefly. And with that, that's a new low going back to March of this year. And if you look at the technical pattern from those April highs, we still are putting in this downward trend with a series of lower highs and lower lows. And that has not alleviated to this point, even though we did see WTI get back and basically close out about 0.5% on the day, right around that 58.80 level.